Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be driving the last 9 miles of I-94 West in Wisconsin, then crossing the state line into Minnesota. We begin at mile 9 in St. Croix County. Here, for the first time since the end of the I-39 concurrency 200 miles back, I-94 West widens to 3 lanes in preparation for entry into a major metropolitan area. At exit 4 ahead, I-94 connects with US Highway 12, which will join us in a concurrency into Minnesota. US 12 runs from Aberdeen, Washington at the Pacific Ocean to Detroit, Michigan. US 12 has been superseded by I-90 and I-94, but remains intact from beginning to end, mostly on its own route. At exit 3, we begin a short concurrency with Wisconsin State Highway 35. At exit 1, the concurrency with Highway 35 ends, and we have a view of the St. Croix River Bridge ahead. We enter the state of Minnesota, Washington County, and the small city of Lakeland, which had an estimated population of 1,819 as of 2019. Lakeland was platted in 1849 and a post office established in 1854. Washington County is the 5th most populous county in Minnesota with 267,568 residents as of the 2020 census. We're now in the Minneapolis-St. Paul metropolitan area. We see a temporary concurrency with Minnesota State Highway 95 here. We made a quick stop at the Minnesota Welcome Center to pick up a map. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Afton, known for the Afton Alps, the largest ski and snowboard area in the Twin Cities area. The city is also home to the Afton State Park on the St. Croix River. As a result, this quaint small town receives a fair amount of tourism. Afton had an estimated population of 3,028 as of 2019. Here, I-94 is the dividing line between the Twin Cities suburbs of Woodbury and Lake Elmo. Lake Elmo on the right is a city with a population of 11,335 as of the 2020 census. The city is growing quickly and is projected to have a population of 21,000 by 2040. The city took its name from a nearby lake, and much of the area within the city limits is still farmland. To the south is the city of Woodbury, the 9th most populous city in the state with 75,102 residents as of 2020. The city was named for United States Supreme Court Justice Levi Woodbury. Here, the city of Oakdale is on the right, named for a grove of oak trees near the original town site. Oakdale has a population of 28,303 as of the 2020 census. Exit 249 provides access to I-494, the southern and western beltway around Minneapolis-St. Paul, as well as I-694, the northeastern and northern beltway. We enter Ramsey County, made YouTube famous by Sheriff Bob Fletcher, who documents his community policing via dashcam several times a week on Facebook Live and a YouTube channel called Live on Patrol. We're in the city of Maplewood, incorporated in 1957. Maplewood is home to the corporate headquarters and main campus of the 3M Corporation. The name 3M is derived from Minnesota mining and manufacturing. We enter the city of St. Paul, the capital city of Minnesota and the county seat of Ramsey County. When the city was first platted, land east of the Mississippi River was still part of the Wisconsin Territory. In 1849, the Minnesota Territory was formed. The land was extended east to the St. Croix River, putting St. Paul in Minnesota. St. Paul has a population of 311,527 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 245. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.